Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonk. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently Bonk broke down the support of this down channel on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, the target for this breakdown was here. That was approximately here at 2.4 cents. And you can see that the price and hit that target and re-entered the channel. Then we had a bigger drop. And now it has again re-entered the same channel that was broken down. And it's struggling to break out the downtrend and resistance of this channel. Here we had a long spike, but the pricing could not break it out. But now we can also adjust this resistance in this way as well. And now we need to break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this resistance. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel that was happening here on the daily time frame chart. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that this support will be very significant because this is the recent swing low point before the breakout from this down channel. That was here at point 0.000247 It worked as support here, support here. Before that, it was breaking at the resistance here. And even before that, it was working as a support here and resistance here as well. And right now, the price line is breaking down after getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. It is breaking down this support, and this is a very significant support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 24th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bonk. And here on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that previously we broke down the channel, and after hitting the target for this breakdown, the price line was re-entered the channel, and now it is trying to break out the same resistance of this channel that was previously broken down. And recently, the price line is once again rejected by this downtrend and resistance, and now we are breaking down this very significant support of $0.00002479. By the way, after this rejection, there is also a probability that we may test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 2229. But you can see that already here we broke down the support. Therefore, it is also possible that the price line may again move more down than the support and test this uptrend line, a very long-term uptrend line support as well. That is approximately at $0.0002. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, it was rejected by this very strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from 40 and goes to 44. And now we are breaking down this support. That was the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel as well. Therefore, it will be really very significant for the price and to recover back very soon. However, if this candlestick will be closed on the daily time frame chart below this support, then I'm expecting that soon we may test this support. And this breakout from this channel will be also invalidated. However, if the price end will be recovered back, then we can expect that the price end can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 0.00 is 0061 And if the price end reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 0.000040 and goes to 0.000044. That was recently working as a support zone here for several days, and for a few days it has been working as a resistance here as well. And after the breakdown, it is again flipped into resistance. We got rejections here and rejection here. And if we want the previous history, then you can see that here in the month of December 2023, it was working as a resistance. In March 2024, in May 2024 as well, it was working as a resistance. Therefore, it is a quite long-term support and resistance zone, and we need to break it up in order to continue this rally to the upside. That was began here, in fact, after the breakout from this big symmetrical triangle. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we had the formation of the big symmetrical triangle. And this uptrend line support of this triangle can still work as a very, very strong support for the price line. And if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can also set your stop loss below this uptrend line support because it can work as a very strong and long-term bull run structure for Bonk. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, that technical target will be about to be here. That will be approximately at $0.0001. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.